Conversion is everything when it comes to making money from your website. In this video, we'll show you how to do A/B testing with free session recording. A/B testing is the process of trying different headlines, copy, call to actions, buttons, and other visual elements on your website. The purpose of A/B testing is to find out which version of a page converts the most visitors into customers or subscribers. A/B testing is also known as split testing or bucket testing. To do an A/B test, you need to create two versions of your page on your website. Version A is the original and version B is the variation. You then send half of your traffic to version A and half of the traffic to version B. Whichever version performs better is the winner. Setting up A/B testing. A/B testing is easy to set up if you're using a CMS such as WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, Wix, and many more. You will most likely need an external plugin, but that is common when adding new functionality to your website. Setting up A/B testing is much harder if you use a custom website, as you'll need a developer to set it up. It's important you set up A/B testing properly before you start session recording so that you can find the winning user experiences. Also, make sure that you test a single variation at a time, as you'll lose track of winning elements on your website. Start session recording. Session recording allows you to see what your website visitors are interacting with on your website. Moment, our free CRM, allows you to session record website visitors without the use of a credit card. The link to register for free is in the description below. To begin session recording, register for your free account at Moment. Once the code snippet is added to your website's header, you will now be able to view how your website visitors are interacting with your website. With session recording, you could tell if your call to actions are working, if your website is easy to navigate for visitors, if your pop-ups or other marketing widgets are converting, and if there are any elements being blocked by widgets. Aside from session recording, Moment will allow you to engage, assign, and chat with leads. Email marketing is also included with your free Moment account. Now it's time to begin A/B testing. Now that you have a team and account set up on Moment, you're ready to start split testing. Open your visitors' recordings and keep track of which variation is being shown. In a spreadsheet, you can list if the visitors have converted or not for the respective variation. The benefit of using free session recording is that you can visually see how the users are interacting with your page, not just the conversion rate. Your A/B testing plugin will give you a good insight into data, but it won't show you how the user progresses through your website. You might also want to A/B test the whole UX and not just the conversions, which you can easily see with Moment session recording. Moment's customer journeys and session recording. With Moment, our free CRM, you can also view the journey of your users on your website and apps. When a specific tag is added to the user, you can view the recorded session to A/B test. You should keep track of which variation is converting the most to find a clear winner in your customer journeys. We recommend that you A/B test a single element at a time so you can make a well-informed adjustment. Overall, using Moment's customer journeys allows you to skip to the important interactions that your website visitors make. This saves you a lot of time when watching session recordings, as you'll be shown the most important segments only. In conclusion, A/B testing is a great way to convert more visitors into paying customers. A/B testing ultimately improves your website and app's user experience. By testing out different elements one at a time, you will find the best variations for your website to convert leads. Session recording is a great way to journey through your visitors' actions and behaviors. When combined with A/B testing, you'll have powerful data to make your website convert like never before. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Also, sign up for Moment and get access to free CRM, live chat, session recording, email marketing, and customer timelines. The link to register is in the description below. Happy testing!